It's pretty rare, but once in a while we get a support email that says the app is hanging on load on iPad or iPhone. Um, the first thing to try, of course, is to force quit the app and restart the app. And if that doesn't work, the second thing to try is to reboot the device. This makes no sense because if you reboot the device, it should be the same as force quitting according to Apple, but actually rebooting the device oftentimes solves the problems. If this doesn't solve for you, there are 3 files in the MIDI Designer folder that you can rename to allow the app to start up in its 0 state. And the first is autosave.mididesigner, the second is config.xml, and the third one is autosave presets. Rename those and you should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Thanks for checking out MIDI Designer.